Good morning, dear young scientists. You are listening to our School on Air science subject. I hope you fully understand our lesson for today.
Sci Talks Radio. Education must continue.
Learning is a great avenue.
No one will be left behind. With new normal comes new learning.
New method, new way of understanding.
Keep on learning.
Keep on achieving.
There's no way of hindering.
Enriching one's dream.
This is
Sci Talks Radio, your number one source of science education.
Conveying a half an hour of quality scientific teaching on air.
This is Sci Talks Radio.
Good day, grade 7 learners. You are listening to Radyo Eskwela sa Isabela. This is your school on the air in Science 7. I am glad to be with you this time. Let us make a fruitful and meaningful learning with our lesson today. I am Ma'am Johanna R. Caro, your radio teacher. How are you, young scientists? I hope that you are well and good today. Make sure that your radio is in good volume. Are you comfortable in your seat? That's great! Find a good seat and bring out your science learning activity sheet, pen, and notebook. Today, we will be discussing your first learning activity in science for the second quarter. Are you excited?
Yes, we are.
Yes, you should be excited. Because our lesson will help you understand the parts of microscope and their functions. Are you now ready for our new lesson?
Yes.
The microscope is a tool which can help you see tiny objects and living organisms. It makes them look bigger. This ability of the microscopes is called its magnifying power or magnification. The microscope also has the capacity to distinguish small gaps between two separate points which humans cannot distinguish. It is called its resolving power or resolution. The light microscope uses diffuse light from the sun or artificial light to illuminate the object to be observed. From its source, visible light passes through the small or thin specimen to be observed through the glass lenses. As the light passes through the lenses, it is bent so specimen appears bigger when it is projected to the eye. The form structure of the specimen can then be seen because some of their parts reflect light. Microscopes are very powerful tools indeed, but in order to use one properly, you need a basic understanding of its components. Let's start discussing now the different parts of microscope and their functions. Number 1. We have the head. What is the function of the head? The head is also known as the body. It carries the optical parts in the upper part of the microscope. Number 2. We have the base. What is the function of the base? The base acts as microscope support. It also carries the microscopic illuminators. Number 3. We have the arms. What is the function of the arms? The arms is the part connecting the base to the head and the eyepiece tube to the base of the microscope. Number 4. We have the eyepiece. What is the function of the eyepiece? The eyepiece is also known as the ocular. This is the part used to look through the microscope. It is found at the top of the microscope. Its standard magnification is 10 times, with an optical eyepiece having magnifications from 5 times to 30 times. Number 5. We have the eyepiece tube. What is the function of the eyepiece tube? It is the eyepiece holder. It carries the eyepiece just above the objective lens. Number 6. We have the objective lenses. What is the function of the objective lenses? These are the major lenses used for specimen visualization. They have a magnification power of 40 times to 100 times. There are about 1 to 4 objective lenses placed in one microscope. Each lens has its own magnification power. Number 7. We have the revolving nosepiece. What is the function of the revolving nosepiece? The revolving nosepiece is also known as the revolving turret. It holds the objective lenses. It is movable, hence it can revolve the objective lenses depending on the magnification power of the lens. Number 8. Fine focus or fine adjustment. Number 8. It is the fine focus or fine adjustment knob. What is the function of fine adjustment knob? This knob is used to fine-tune the focus of a specimen in conjunction with the coarse focus. Number 9. It is the coarse adjustment knob. This is the knob on the side of the microscope that moves the objective lens up and down. It is used in conjunction with the fine focus. Number 10. Condenser. What is the function of the condenser? These are lenses that are used to collect and focus light from the illuminator into the specimen. They are found under the stage next to the diaphragm of the microscope. They play a major role in ensuring that clear, sharp images are produced with a high magnification of 400 times and above. Number 11. Illuminator. What is the function of the illuminator? The illuminator is sometimes called as microscopic illuminator. This is the microscope's light source, located at the base. It is used instead of a mirror. It captures light from an external source of a low voltage of about 100 volts. Number 12 is the rock stop. What is the function of the rock stop? It controls how far the stages should go, preventing the objective lens from getting too close to the specimen slide, which may damage the specimen. Number 13 is the stage. This is the part of the microscope in which the specimen is placed for viewing. Number 14 is the stage clip. What is the function of the stage clip? The stage clip holds the specimen slides in place. And number 15. The last part is the diaphragm. What is the function of the diaphragm? The diaphragm is also known as the iris. It is found under the stage of the microscope, and its primary role is to control the amount of light that reaches the specimen. Alright, students, those are the different parts of a microscope and their functions. To sum up our discussion today, a microscope is a very important laboratory instrument. A good microscope allows us to magnify and observe very small specimens such as bacteria as well as cells and their various parts. All of the parts of the microscope are important, but without one aspect of a microscope, it will be unable to carry out its basic functions. Let us check now your understanding of our lesson by having a short quiz. Bring out your quiz notebook. Here's the direction. Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is wrong. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Number 1. The stage is the section on which the specimen is placed for viewing. They have stage clips which hold the specimen slides in place. True or false? Number 2. The eyepiece controls how far the stages should go, preventing the objective lens from getting too close to the specimen slide, which may damage the specimen. True or false? Number 3. The nose piece holds the objective lenses. True or false? Number 4. The head carries the optical parts in the upper part of the microscope. True or false? Number 5. The arms act as microscope's support. It also carries the microscopic illuminators. True or false? Number 6. The stage is the part connecting the base end to the head and the eyepiece tube to the base of the microscope. True or false? Number 7. The diaphragm is also known as the iris. It is found under the stage of the microscope, and its primary role is to control the amount of light that reaches the specimen. True or false? Number 8. The objective lenses are used for specimen visualization. True or false? Number 9. The illuminator steady light in place of a mirror. True or false? And for number 10, the condenser is the bottom part of the microscope and it is used as support. True or false? Now, let us see how well you answered your quiz. Kindly check your answers with all honesty. Number 1. The correct answer is true. Number 2. The correct answer is false. Number 3. True. Number 4. It's also true. Number 5. The correct answer is false. Number 6. False. Number 7. The correct answer is true. Number 8 is also true. Number 9. The correct answer is true. And for number 10, the correct answer is false. Count the number of correct answers and write it on your quiz notebook. I hope that you all got a perfect score. That ends our discussion today, my dear students. If you have time, you can go back and study your learning activity sheet. There are some activities there that will help you understand more about microscope, its parts and functions. Our next topic is all about different levels of biological organization from cell to biosphere. Do not forget to tune in here at our School on the Air, Radyo Eskwela sa Isabela at our scheduled time. To the pen behind the script, Sir Jerwin B. Agsunod. together with the SDO RBI production team, thank you so much for being with us. I am your radio teacher, Ma'am Johanna R. Caro, saying, practice personal hygiene protocols at all times. Keep safe, everyone.
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela.